Eraser glued to the back side of the lava lamp, and we can erase a mistake at any time. The pencils can't stand my pressure during my art class. Namby-pambies, why do they keep breaking all the time? But my friend tries to calm me down. She lets a cute bird pencil sharpener out of the cage. Trace a pencil sharpener on a colorful beauty blender. Cut out a hole of the needed size and hot glue the sharpener in it. Decorate the pointy end of the sponge with a pom-pom. Hot glue feather wings to the sides and hot glue a tail out of the decorative feathers to the base of the sharpener. Draw eyes and a beak with a black marker. Color the details with a white marker. All my anger at the pencils start fading away when I get a school supply like this. I use the soft sharpener to make my pencil sharp again. I can come back to my drawing. Except that I don't want to hold a hard pencil after using the soft sharpener. I will try to make a regular pencil soft to touch. Wind a yellow chenille stem around a regular pencil, creating a spiral pattern. Fasten it with hot glue. Coil the purple chenille stem in between the gaps. Remove the metallic metal end of the eraser and attach a fluffy pink pom-pom. Spiral the blue chenille stem around another pencil. Shape it into a heart at the end and hot glue a pink heart of a smaller size inside the blue one. Make some pink accents all over the pencil. I've done it! My friend and I have got soft and bright pencils. They look more like magic wands from the fairy tale world. It's exactly what we need in a boring class. The blue-eyed girl's hair always gets into her eyes. It can spoil her eyesight. It's great that I have a new invention. A pen with a hair twister. Take a plug out of a regular ballpoint pen. Cut off one end of a hair twister and hot glue to the barrel of the pen. Cover the joining with decorative tape. This pen and hair accessory combination makes us laugh during the entire class. Firstly, the twister keeps shaking in a funny way while writing with a pen. Secondly, you can bend it however you want as the wire inside lets you shape it in any direction. And finally, the hair twister can perform its main function, which is putting your hair together so that it doesn't get into your eyes. Except that I will have to find another pen. I am not able to take notes holding the pen in my hair and in my hand at the same time. My friend keeps moving her new folder in her hands during the whole class. What is that? It seems a butterfly has settled on her folder. Cover a piece of white cardboard with double-sided tape. Attach a yellow foam rubber sheet to it. Draw a butterfly silhouette on the cardboard side. Make a semicircle strip on the body. Cut it out. Attach a small button to a coin. Put the detail into the hole on the butterfly and attach one more coin to the other side. Decorate the mechanism with a shiny foam rubber flower. Attach the butterfly to the folder using double-sided foam tape. Make a pattern on the wings with the shiny foam rubber sheet. Additionally, decorate the folder with the yellow foam rubber flowers. Spring has already come to the Curly Sue. Butterflies and flowers have settled on her school supplies, but Miss Smith notices her students' playful mood as well. She takes away the folder, and the butterfly hypnotic effect catches her immediately. Enchanted, Miss Smith forgets about everything. Apparently, it's the end of the class. Did you like our stress-relieving school supplies? Then write in your comments what is the best thing to calm you down in class. A notebook made out of sponges? A pencil wrapped in fluffy wire? Or a teacher who was distracted and forgot about your homework? Be sure to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss the most interesting stuff on the Troom Troom channel.